cost and stuff.
Hello, welcome to my first video of my 350Z. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to my journey of building my car and all the things that I may do to it in the future, and many more. Right here in the Z, there's been some things that I've already done before that I never did, but at the same time there's some imperfections from previous bad experiences with body shops and things that I got screwed over with, but hopefully over time we could make some of these things even better. On my car, there's some things that I've messed around with or upgraded in a way, but so far what I've done is just my Cosmos XT206 wheels. On the front I'm running 18 by 9.5 plus 10, and on the rear I'm running 18 by 11 plus 8. The reason is because before I got my Crown Carbon crafting kit, I used to be just stock body Z, but with my over fenders I'm running different specs. That's why I got this big wheel gap, but hopefully with the next video or so we could change that up. You got little things like just the headlight covers and little simple things. The body shop that I used to go to, they really didn't do the best job, because I went about 1.5 years ago and this kit is already, the paint on the body kit is already chipping, bubbles here and there, all types of bad stuff. But down the road I want to fix it to a good proper shop that they know what they're doing. For example, look, I don't know if you guys could see it well or not, but what I have right here is some rivets, and underneath it you can see the paint that's already chipping. That's bad quality. Underneath is just white, but I don't think he even prepped it or anything. And look, these are the ones that I got for the rivets, just normal rivets. But the ones that he supplied me with, they were not even good. They're already rusting and everything. Looks disgusting in my opinion. I don't know about you guys. What do you guys think about this? The guy who installed my kit, he didn't even try to make sure it had proper fitments. It's already cracking. Right here by the hood and the fender is already chipped from when I opened the hood. It's already cracking my kit. But hopefully with the next things that I have coming in, I won't have to worry about this anymore. Right here is probably the things that I hate most about my car. Whenever I'm driving and I'm looking in my rear mirror, I always see my rivets. When he installed them, since they picked them up, the rivets were already popping out and they're already messing up. But look right here, like I said, the ones that he installed, they already have rust inside of them. And the ones that I installed don't even have rust or nothing. Like for example, this one right here, and I have another one back here on the back. This one right here. Oh, this is probably the thing I hate the most. The paint. It's already chipping, bubbling up. Disgusting. I really need to get this fixed down the road. Imperfections. If you know a good shop here in the DFW area, hit me up. I really want to get to fix this down the road. It's already right here bubbling up. I'm missing a rivet right here, another one over here, and there's one over there. I don't know if you guys can see it over there. See, the paint's already gone from here. My KBD wing, this looks so good if it was done right. It's another imperfection over here. It's bubbling and cracking over here at the same time. Nasty. Oh, I'm missing my I'm missing my rear windshield wiper because I had louvers at one point. I still have them, but I haven't put them on. I have a friend that was gonna buy them at one. Yeah. Right now I'm getting inside my car. Just have little basic things. Just a little quick release NRG steering wheel. Got the hub, the quick release, and the wheel. It's my daily driver, the Z. So just some wear and tear. The 6-speed. There's no, the seat covers. Since I bought the car about almost 2 years ago, I've had them because underneath they are ripped like every other 350Z. My seat is also ripped. You can see underneath the wire. Nasty. I'm just gonna roll the car in when I'll get in the shade so I can start working on the car in a bit. Around here should be good. You know, when you turn off the car, make sure you have it in gear. You don't want that shit to roll back on you. Right now I opened the hood because I'm starting to get ready to take off the over fenders. Right here for my car, I gotta take this one off. This one's hopefully I don't have to take them off yet, but down the road I probably will. Because I'm getting rid of the fenders. I'm getting new fenders for the Z. You guys will see soon which ones I have for the car. And it's easy, you just gotta take some bolts off. Right here. Some underneath. This one. And I don't know if this one's in. Some underneath, but since I don't have my old fenders, I don't even have to take them off. Because the body shop, he ripped them off. He didn't try to take them off, he just ripped the clips off. He messed it up. Done. So now we're gonna do is just pull it out and hopefully it comes out. Well, the fenders are already off. Alright, so we just took the fenders off, but first we're gonna have to vacuum all this trash out because I don't want none of this to be here down the road. It could cause corrosion or rust, and I don't want that to happen to the car. I want the car to last me for a long time. This new fenders for the car, and they finally came in, and I'm really excited to finally put them on the car after a long time. And right here we have the Fly1 Motorsports carbon fenders. I want to go all the way carbon fiber, but for my first pieces of the car, and I already opened one, but the other one I still haven't opened it up. This one's still wrapped. This one still hasn't been opened yet. Right here. Can't wait to see what they look like on the Z. Put this on the side. Here's the other one. This one I already had opened it, but I wrapped it a little bit just so I could protect it at the house. And this is what it looks like. This one I already opened it, but let's put the bubble wrap back in it, protected. And here it is, the full carbon fiber. The first ever carbon fiber pieces for the car. Never had any carbon fiber before. Got to open up the other one. Take off this wrap off, bubble wrap. It's super light compared to the other ones that I used to have. Overall, this one's weigh probably no more than 5 pounds. Super light, which hopefully they're really good quality. Hopefully they last better than the other ones. As you can see, it's the next afternoon, and well, I couldn't record as much because it was mostly a pain in the ass to get the fitment to sit right with the gap without hitting the hood. But at the end, this is most likely to do. The only thing that's gonna suck from knowing from the other ones is every often I'm gonna have to take out the leaves and the trash that gets built up inside of the fenders right here. But without hitting the hood right there. But at the end, this is the final results. I got the Fly1 Motorsports fenders in. Looks way better. The wheels, I just gotta lower it a little bit more. But first, I want to see or think about how low I could go, because in my neighborhood there's some really big speed bumps. So that's the only thing that's stopping me from going any lower than what I can. And over here's the other side. It's way better than the ones I used to have here back then. Way better. I love that fitment. The only thing that was the most annoying part was on the bottom of the fender right here. I don't know if you can see well, but back here is some little bolts. And the thing is that when I was trying to put them in, I kind of broke the clips on the fender. You can't see it, but on the inside there's some little tabs, and then one of them broke right here, so it was kind of annoying. But the good thing is that drilling the holes from the OEM spot actually made it kind of better. So right now is the way it is. Same thing for the other side, but the other side didn't break. And that should do. I hope you guys enjoy how the car looks, and if you do, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and follow me through this journey. So the way we built this Z. I hope you guys enjoyed. My name is Ricky, and see you next time.